Every journey in business starts with one decision: to move. Not everyone understands why you take flights for business when your business still looks small. But you don't travel to show off, you travel to learn, to observe, to connect, to expand. Every new city teaches you something a book never can. Delhi, the capital of chaos and opportunity. When you walk through these streets, you realize business isn't just about selling, it's about understanding people. Every shop, every shout, every bargain is a masterclass of human behavior. The one who listens to people more sells more. In business, product is never the real power. The real power lies beneath distribution. You might have the best shirts in the market, but if you don't know how to move them fast, you will always stay small. The game belongs to the one who understands movement. Movements of goods, of money, of trust. These are the goods for my little shop. People often see the hustle, but they don't see the circulations behind it. A true businessman doesn't chase profit, he manages cash flow. Because business doesn't die from low margins, it dies when money stops circulating. Long journeys remind me of something simple. Success is not about speed, it's about direction. Every kilometer I travel teaches me that consistency will always beat luck. I have seen people rush into business with excitement, but soon they fade in silence. It's not that they bring low capital, they bring huge capital sometimes in crores, but they don't survive. Only the disciplined ones survive. Ludhiana, a city built by people who create, not complain. Here, even a small workshop can export to the world. That's the beauty of business. It doesn't care where you start, it cares only how far you are willing to go. The shop that looks ordinary today might be the foundation of tomorrow's brand. I know people judge me for how small my business looks. They laugh at me behind my back for my hawker style setup. You bloody hawker! But I always keep remembering myself that these very streets raised me, and whatever qualities these streets gave me will always stay with me. And those who are judging me behind my back, working behind the glass doors of multinational corporations, I have best wishes for them. Real businessmen don't chase status, they build value. And when value speaks, the world listens. This is not just my journey, it's a reminder for every small business owner out there. Your business doesn't have to look big, it just has to grow day by day.